The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington, D.C. Police Department and the Washington, D.C. County Department of Animal Services. There have been reports that a large, prehistoric and a dangerous dinosaur, known as the Tyrannosaurus rex, has been reported to escape the Smithsonian National Zoological Park area, starting to attack people and animals randomly at the zoo area of Washington, D.C. It is unknown how the T-Rex escaped from the zoo area, but it is possible that a hacker, from an unknown country, has possibly hacked into the T-Rex exhibit system. The dinosaur species known as the T-Rex can easily be identified for the following: a large reptilian head with sharp teeth, brown skin, a large theropod reptile-shaped body, two small arms with two sharp finger claws that are the size of a human arm, weights up to half 4 meters, lengths up to 12 meters, makes loud roaring noises that can be heard almost a mile away, and it also very aggressive as well, and can attack people if they move a muscle when they approach it. Anyways, do not attempt to approach the dinosaur, as it is considered extremely dangerous and aggressive, as it will chase you, attack you and eat you alive to certain death if you do so. If you have been chased by the T-Rex, run away as fast as possible and hide to a safe place and do not make any sudden noises when you're hiding. Stay tuned for more updates and information about this dangerous dinosaur problem escape and situation when it becomes available, as many people have reported that the T-Rex will attack the area of Washington, D.C. as soon as possible. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington, D.C. Police Department and the Washington, D.C. County Department of Animal Services. At around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the hacker that has made the dinosaur escape from the zoo a while ago has now been later confirmed to be the male terrorist from its origin country, Afghanistan. However, he has now been arrested for hacking the T-Rex exhibit system, as the male terrorist has been sentenced up to 30 years in jail for making a dangerous prehistoric endangered beast to escape. However, the T-Rex is now on the loose, as it is attacking the area of Washington, D.C., causing a lot of damages, injuries and fatalities around at the area. If you see the dinosaur while walking around the area at where you live, do not approach it and make any sudden noises, as the dinosaur is considered to be very aggressive and extremely dangerous, as it will attack you and eat you alive to certain death if you do so. The police and animal control force are now here to deal with this dinosaur situation, as they will try to stop and capture the large prehistoric beast as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more information, news, and updates as it follows. As the police officers and animal control officers will be taking care of this situation. Please stand by for this message. Do not turn off your TV or radio stations, as this is important for you to listen to this alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning area of Washington, D.C. and the Washington, D.C. County Department of Animal Services. At around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been more reports that the T-Rex, a large prehistoric dinosaur from the zoo, has been reported that it attacked the police officers and animal control officers, as their attempts to capture and stop the T-Rex has failed unfortunately, as the T-Rex is somewhat bulletproof with its skin, making it a bit hard to get killed with some weapons. Due to the police and animal control officers being unable to capture and stop the T-Rex, the president has no other choice but to send out airstrike planes that will fire bombs, and are expected to arrive in the next 20 minutes. These bombs will target, destroy and eliminate the T-Rex. These bombs are non-nuclear, but however, they are extremely dangerous, and it will still cause massive damage to some areas. All residents here around the area of Washington, D.C. are advised to seek shelter immediately, close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace tappers and vents, and seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Take an important set of supplies with you, such as food, water or other drinks, clothing, medical supplies, a fully charged cell phone, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio to last you for about 14 days. Stay tuned for more information, updates, and news as it follows. The President of the United States of America is expected to speak on all news and radio stations shortly around the area of Washington, D.C.
My fellow Americans, today is one of the most devastating, darkest days in American history. An attack is currently taking place in our capital city of the United States, Washington, D.C. A male, unnamed terrorist from his origin country, Afghanistan, has hacked into the T-Rex exhibit system at our local zoo, Smithsonian National Zoological Park, which has caused the T-Rex to escape and cause massive damage around the zoo and the city area of Washington, D.C. There had been reports as well that the T-Rex has killed at least more than 300 people, and also left more than 500 people injured around the area later on. The police and animal control officers have tried to stop and capture the T-Rex, but however, it has failed unfortunately, as I had to call in the airstrike planes to fire bombs, and it will arrive in about 20 minutes. The airstrike will target and fire bomb at the T-Rex, so that way, it will be killed and destroyed easily. Please stay safe during this dark and dangerous time. Stay positive and have hope. Remain calm. Do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation more worse than it already is. We'll hope the bombing on the ferocious beast is successful so that we can all be safe and have no more havoc and destruction around our capital city area. after the firebombing. We'll hope to rebuild the damaged areas that the T-Rex has caused to our former glory. This ends my message, and God bless the United States of America, and try to have a good day.
That was a message from representative of the President. We now return to the emergency alert system. This concludes activation of the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume. The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action termination. All clear. The Tyrannosaurus rex, a large prehistoric dinosaur that escaped the zoo and caused massive havoc across the area of Washington, D.C., has now been killed and firebombed by the airstrikes. However, there is a significant amount of damage across the area of Washington, D.C., and a lot of deaths and injuries as well, as it will take many years to rebuild. Normal programming may now resume.